AI seems to be everywhere these days, from helping you write essays to creating and managing entire applications for you. Just like you have heard of various AI tools, right now, you are also hearing a lot about AI agents and agentic AI. But have you ever wondered, what's the difference between these three? Especially between an AI agent and agentic AI? They sound similar, right? But they're not the same. And understanding how they're different is super important, especially now that AI is becoming a bigger part of our lives. Hi, I'm Luna, and welcome to today's session, where we break it down in the simplest way possible. First, let's talk about AI tools. Imagine you're using a smart screwdriver. It's a tool. It helps you do the job faster and better. But you're still the one holding it, pointing it and using it. And that's exactly how AI tools work. They need you to take the lead. You give the instructions, they follow. No independent thought, no decisions. They just do what you say. For example, when you use ChatGPT, you ask it something and it gives you the answer in return. When you use Midjourney or Sora, you also tell these tools to create images and videos, and they provide you with that in their outputs. Now, let's level up a little bit. Enter the AI agent. If an AI tool is like a smart screwdriver, an AI agent is like a robot handyman. You tell it what to fix, and it does the job on its own. Tightens screws, drills holes, even grabs the right tool. But only after you give it clear instructions. It has a goal, and it works towards it on its own, within limits. An AI agent is different from a tool because it can perceive, decide, and act without needing constant input from you. You give it a task, and it figures out how to get it done. For example, think of Siri or Alexa. You might say, "Remind me to call Mom at 6 p.m., and it'll do that. Or a self-driving car. It's not just waiting for you to steer. It makes decisions on the road in real time. It's still working within a set boundary, but it's doing the work on your behalf. Now, here comes the exciting part. Agentic AI. Agentic AI takes everything about AI agents and turns the dial all the way up. It doesn't just follow orders. It can plan, learn, use tools, and even make decisions over time to accomplish big, complex goals. And the craziest part? It can take the initiative. Let's go back to our analogies. If an AI tool is a smart screwdriver and an AI agent is a robot handyman, then agentic AI is like a project manager who's also a handyman. It walks into your house, notices that a cabinet is loose, checks your calendar, buys the right materials online, and fixes everything without you even asking, because it knows your preferences and goals. It understands your goals and it works toward them, proactively. Some examples are Manus AI, OpenAI's Operator, and Google's Project Mariner. They can build entire workflows that connect apps like Gmail, Notion, and Google Sheets. You just tell one of these what you want. Like, track my YouTube video performance and send me daily summaries. And it sets up the whole system for you. It thinks ahead, solves problems, and gets things done with very little input. To give a more detailed example, suppose you tell Manus AI to analyze the growth of the NVIDIA stocks over the last decade and make a presentation of it on a web page. So, what will the agentic AI do? It will first search the web for relevant article and other information. It will open and read various reports on its own. Then it will summarize what it understands from those reports. After that, it will create dashboards from that data, make a code for the web page, and deploy the entire thing on the site. If it gets stuck in the middle of the process, it will think and rethink over the issue and execute its next steps accordingly. This is agentic AI in action. It doesn't just respond, it acts, learns, and improves. And this was our session, explaining AI tools, agents, and agentic AI in a simple manner for those who are new to the field. If you found the content valuable, kindly leave a like and subscribe to Alpha Intellect, because we have a lot more to cover. Also, do let us know what AI tools you use the most in the comment section. We would love to read them. So, until the next video, take care and keep learning.